Maayong adlaw. Before we start, Happy New Year, mga higala. This is Maestra Judy. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a while since I have uploaded here on YouTube. I took a little break last month, starting actually this around December 23, but I stayed active on Instagram. Okay, sharing Cebuano lesson tidbits there. So if you missed those, make sure to check them out. And don't forget to follow me also. Today, I'm so excited to share something special with you guys, mga higala. The first video of the year and the unboxing of our Learning Kit 5. Alright, mga higala, we're almost half of our curriculum. This kit is all about food, ingredients, and home essentials. Here's what you'll find inside the Learning Kit Box 5. So first, you have the 70-page reusable activity book. So you can practice writing Cebuano words as much as you want. Just erase to start over. Second, you will have 10 laminated bingo cards because learning Cebuano can be fun and interactive, mga gala. Third, you will also have 110 pieces of pocket-size flashcards. So you can study anywhere, anytime, and we will use this for the bingo game. Next is 2 market section posters to help you learn Cebuano terms for common grocery sections. Next one, we have 10 grocery shopping cart cards, an interactive way to master grocery vocabulary. And again, the learning kits includes audio QR code. So just scan it to access the pronunciation guides and listening practice. Another one, you will also get a fun fact card so you can discover interesting tidbits about the Cebuano culture or the Philippine culture. It also comes with a whiteboard pen. Write, erase, and repeat. So this kit is designed to make learning Cebuano easy, fun, and hands-on. So whether you're a beginner or you are trying to revisit your vocabulary, Before I go mga higala, here are some updates for our Learning Kit subscribers. For international orders, we are now on a bi-monthly plan. You will be billed monthly and we will ship 2 learning kits in one box on the 25th of every second month. This way, payments are lighter and you save on shipping fees. Again, you save on shipping fees, mga higala. In this table, this is a sample computation in US dollars. So these rates are just examples, mga higala. So these rates are applicable for Connecticut and some parts of Arizona. So your rates might be a little bit higher than this one, depending on your zoning. All right. So as you can see in this table, the current monthly pricing, the learning kit cost is 34, around 34. The new shipping rates is around 79. You can just say $80. For the first month, that's 130, basically 114. On the second month, 114. So the total 2 months for this, if we go for monthly, that's actually 227 or $228. With the new bi-monthly plan, okay, so we have to times 2 this one. For the learning kit cost, that's times 2 of 34. And the new shipping rates, it's going to be just $88. So you don't multiply the 79 or $80 on from the monthly shipping rates. Instead, you were able to, if we put 2 learning kits in one box, you will only pay around $88. Okay? So basically for the first month, we will bill you still each month so that you will have a lighter payment. It's not too heavy on your pockets. So instead of paying 113 or 114, you will only pay 78.5. Okay, $78. And on the second month, the same thing, 78. So if we total this one for 2 months, that's $157, $70 less than if we go for monthly. So you have a total savings of $70, mga igala. So that's actually a very good amount already, mga higala. So how does this work? By January, okay, for example, this month, we will ask you to pay 78.50 for box 1. And for February, still the same amount for box 2. And we will ship on the 25th of February. So I hope that is clear. So if you have more questions and you want more details about this, you can contact me using my website, or you can comment at the bottom, at the comment section. All right, so that we can have some discussions over there. For Philippine orders, don't worry, we are still going to have a monthly. All you need to do is pay for the learning kit and the shipping is free. Okay, so every month around on the 25th, we will start sending your boxes. Okay, the lead time for the Philippine orders is around 5 working days. So you will be able to, around end of the month, you will receive your box, or end of the month or the first few days of the next month. Okay, so I hope mga higala you enjoyed this video, and if you want to get the box 1 to 4, because we are now already on box 5, so if you want to get box 1 to 4 and you want to avail of the 199 rates, just go over to my website. Let's talk about it. Okay, so for example, if you don't want to buy the whole series of boxes, you just want a specific topic, yes, you can get it, mga higala. You can order it on my shop at 2,399. Okay, and the shipping for that is still free as long as it is a learning kit. If you buy a learning kit plus some other items, I still have to charge small amount for the shipping fees for those other items. My merch are also available in Capitano and Latiras. So you can go over there and check out the products in person. Okay, and while you are there, let's also support the restaurants who also supported me. Okay. Daghang salamat mga gala. That's all. That's all for today. Amping muntanan. Ayo ayo. Bye.